This is awesome. So let's see what we can do with the advanced styling option here that we have. So first let me go to the flow and click, then add new, then GIF node. I want to have to search for Christmas animation. Okay, I have chosen this one already. Let me copy and get back to style. Okay, so this is our normal chatbot. Cool. Side body instead of solid color, white color. Let me choose image. Let see. This is the background. Let me clear messages. Okay, save. Then let me choose some Christmas colors in Xcode. Sorry, not this one. Maybe this. Okay, I want this red for the header. So I have to go to header here and okay, maybe yes, maybe okay. And user text message. Now for the green color, let me put it in footer background and in what text message background, and I need to change this to white. Okay, this sounds more like it. And for the footer, I can change black color to white. Let me, here we have white line, so I'll add some border to the footer. There. Okay. It will look like this inside our website. See, this. Okay, this website look nice. So I copy the URL, then go to tools, magic link. Okay, it look nice. What else? I can one second. Can get files. Let me upload one. Come on, I have nothing here. Okay, let's try again. This one, copy link, then get back to style, and I already have some CSS code. Let me copy it and copy the file URL here. So those are things that you cannot do using the basic styling option. So you need to use the advanced CSS code option for styling. Overflow, visible. There, nice. Save, then. Great. Okay. Maybe you can remove the logo inside the header. Go here for the title. Let me make it italic. For the logo, let me make it display logo display none. Cool. And for the container, toggle button, which is this button here. Let me change the border color, make it like 3 pixels. Now see, 3 pixels. Okay. Okay, what else? Let me check 1 second. Maybe we can add some other images. Hello. Okay. Inside files. Let me check. Let me add this one. It's this one. Okay. And here. Copy everything. Then pass the new image URL. And here make it before. Zero pixels. Zero. No rotation. For the width, the container width is 400 pixels. Pixels. Okay, and let me see. Background. Okay, it's nice. It's 160 pixels. So here top, we need to make it minus 160. I'm almost there. Minus 140, 20. Cool. So let me remove this. And there, see? It's cool. Save. So instead of this, let me search another, see, another design. There. Also, this one is nice. It's not that bad. Okay, what else? I think I have another file. Okay, let's go to file. I have this one. Okay, so copy and copy the image link. And here we need to put after. 200, no. 140 pixels. 80, 90, 80. And top. 20. No. Maybe 0. Okay, and for the header, right now. Okay, let me make it even smaller. For like 120, no, 100 pixels. And this one should be maybe 60. Top 6. 10 pixels. 40. Alright. This is even better. Okay. And here, this is for Christmas because I'm recording this video on 14th of December, so the Christmas season. So maybe you wanna style your chatbot or something like this, or maybe you can even use a promotion. Let me show you. Inside Canva, I already have the Pro Canva account, and I can find a lot of stuff inside Canva, like this one, for example. Let me show you. So here we know that the width is 400, and for the footer, for example, or maybe the header, let me check. The header height is 66. So I want to create a new design. In Canva, I click here, create new design, custom size, and 400 by 66. Create a new design. Okay, Christmas. Let's make this season. No. Okay, let's choose this one. You can copy. Download. And in the header, instead of solid color, I choose image. Go to files, upload this image. Then copy the link and paste it here. Let us see. And for the title, let me remove it by making the text size 0. I don't think it will be removed. So what I need to do is go here to here it's 0. Okay, it was removed. Save. There. Okay, I thought I saw other other designs. Let me check. Yes. 1 second. Okay, let me upload this file. Where is it? Upload file. Copy. Header. Background image fast. Okay. Christmas sale up to. Okay, I can remove this. See? Christmas sale up to 50%. Like I can make it even bigger. So if I want to show the sale but make the image bigger, like for example 100 pixels. I already prepared an image inside Canva. It's this one. Copy, then paste the link. Let's see. Christmas. Alright, nice. And for the footer, I have another image for the footer. Let me show you. I think I have it somewhere here. So this one. Okay, I guess it's this one. Let me download it. Okay, downloaded. Now upload it to FusionBot. Copy the link, then go to footer, and instead of this color, let's make like this. Okay, it's not that bad. And for the icon color, choose this color. I think white's better. Save. Okay. Now you have completely different chatbot than the one you have by default. The one you have is this one. Save. It's this one, but I think this looks better, especially if you want to promote some Christmas accessories products in your website. I think this is much better.